Someone dropped a comment that really made me think. They said, I work in a factory and I want to switch to IT, but I'm not sure if I should go into web or something else. And honestly, I get that. That feeling of standing at the edge of a whole new world, wondering if you're even allowed in, it's real. But here's the truth. You don't need a degree to get into tech. You don't need to be some genius who's been coding since they were 12. What you do need is the will to learn and the guts to start. There are so many people in tech right now, developers, engineers, analysts, who didn't go to college for it. They learned online from free resources, sites like freecodecamp, the Odin project, even YouTube. The knowledge is there, and if you stay consistent, it works. Now, if you're coming from factory work, don't underestimate your experience. You've been solving problems, sticking to processes, staying disciplined. That's exactly what tech needs. As for the path, web is a great place to start. You see what you build. You get feedback fast. It's creative, fast-paced, and the community is huge. But web isn't the only option. If you like solving puzzles and figuring out how things work under the hood, you might enjoy backend development. Or maybe cybersecurity, if you like protecting systems and catching vulnerabilities, kind of like being the tech version of Captain America. If you're into automating things and setting up systems, that's more like Iron Man. Smart, precise, building powerful tools in the background. Web, that's Spider-Man. Creative, fast, gets things done. Breaks stuff, fixes it again. Tech has space for all of them. So try things. Pick a free course, do a little web, try some Python, play with a terminal. You'll know when something clicks. You don't have to pick your final path on day one. You just have to get started. And once you do, you'll realize you were meant to be here all along.